want to do today is something that has been bothering me probably the most since I bought this truck. And that is, there's a bunch of oxidation in the undercoat, or sorry, the clear coat on the wheels. If you look, it's the clear coat that's peeling up, and it gets really pretty nasty looking. So I want to try to take care of that. But I also don't want to take the wheels off. So one of the ways that people normally do this is they sand it down, and then they paint the wheels and put new clear coat on. I also don't want to paint the wheels. I want to see if I can just get straight to the alloy and see how it turns out. So I started off with a couple different wire brush attachments on my drill, and then I moved to some progressive sandpaper with an 80 grit, then up to 120 and a 200 grit on my Dremel Multimax. I kept cleaning it just so that I wouldn't miss areas that still needed to be sanded. This is just a Scotch-Brite scrubbing pad. It was perfect to get all the grime off the wheel. That's pretty much the finished product. I just carried on with the other 3 wheels, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. By the time I'm posting this, it's actually been about 2 months since I did this, and the wheels still look great. Alright, I'm feeling pretty good about the wheels. They look way better than they did before. And fix something else in the next video. See ya.